So air conditioner consumption, when the room is already cooled down, the consumption drops dramatically. So the air conditioner is set for 22. The room is nice and cool now. We don't have solar connected yet, but this will be from the generator, solar generator Bluetti. This is the input PV solar input to the solar generator. Right now we're on mains grid, and it's 230 volts at 1.2 amps. Nothing else is on, there's no lights, the container is empty. Lights are off, and we're using 1.2 amps. So that means the power consumption is about 250 watts. So the Bluetti AC200 Max can easily power this without depleting the battery very much at all, especially if you have a sunny day and you're charging the Bluetti at 900 watts solar. You've got plenty of spare room with your inverter.